Today we're going to be talking about chemical bonds, and chemical bonds are electrical attractive forces between atoms. It turns out that all atoms, or most atoms, are unstable. In order to be stable, an atom wants to have a complete outermost orbit, or a complete valence orbit. And only a few atoms have this. The noble gases, for example. They don't form chemical bonds because they don't have to. They have a complete valence orbit. But all the other atoms, in order to be chemically stable, want to form chemical bonds in order to complete their outermost orbit. And they're going to do this in one of typically three ways: gain electrons, lose electrons, or share electrons. So the three types of chemical bonds that we're going to talk about are going to be ionic bonds, and that's going to be between a metal and a non-metal. Covalent bond is going to be between a non-metal and a non-metal. And then we have metallic bond. That's going to be between a metal and a metal. Now the two types of bonds we really care about in biology are going to be ionic bonds and covalent bonds. Now ionic bonds are going to be between a metal and a non-metal. The metal is going to lose electrons and the non-metal is going to gain electrons. With a covalent bond, both are non-metals, so we can't both gain electrons. So in this case, we're going to compromise and we're going to share electrons. And the same thing goes for a metallic bond between a metal and a metal. Both can't lose electrons. So again, we're going to compromise and we're going to share electrons.